Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? I was not going to film today. Is Happy New Year's Day, and so really was not going to film. And then I got some new products in, and I started playing around with the eyeshadow. And yeah, it's so good that I was just like, yeah, we're going to film today. So that'll go ahead and start with what I have on. And this is really new. This is the NYX Blur foundation. I have mine in 03 Light Ivory. This one actually has a pink base to it. So for those people who want to go neutral or, yeah, or more of a yellow olive, this color, this 03, wouldn't be the color because this one does have a base of pink in it. So that's what I started with, and I'm really liking it so far. I also added in the Pretty Fresh by Colourpop as far as my concealer. But like I said, yeah, it's blurring a lot. It's really pretty. And it's very, very matte. But moving on to what else I used, I did go ahead and use the Soul Bronzer. This is the one in medium. And that's how that looks. And it actually has a little bit of shimmer to it, and I think that it dries down. Yeah, it dries down a little lighter than when it shows up here. So that's what I've been noticing there. I do have the Uoma, and this is their lip gloss, or their lipstick, sorry, lipstick. And it's complicated. There we go. So that's what I have on there. And then I did go ahead and put the Beauty Pie blush on. This one is in Bare Blush, and so it's more of a rosy kind of color. And went ahead and used the Colourpop Flexitarian to go along with it. So that's what I have on there. Did go ahead and use the NYX Thick It Stick It as far as the eye gel, or the eyebrow gel in Coolash Brown. And use the IT Superhero as far as my mascara. The palette is this one. It's an Avatar palette from The Way of Water. And yeah, water connects all things. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's gorgeous. And this one is actually on sale over at Ulta right now. I think the formula is amazing. The color story is amazing. And yes, my heater did pop on. Right now, what I have on, let's see, the one eye is going to be, this is my base color here. And then I went ahead and did some of the pink. I used this pink here, and then this one on the inner corner. So yeah, that's the way that the one look went. And then the other look, I went ahead and used this one as my base, and I used this for my inner corner, this one for my lid, this one right under the eye as eyeliner, and then I used this one as eyeliner on the other eye. So the way that the eye looks came out, yeah, let's see. Got this one. That's the way that that one came out. And then the way that the other one came out. So yeah, I'm thinking the formula is pretty amazing. And I'm loving the looks that I'm getting from this. And it's on sale for really substantial savings. I think it started out at $40. It's down to $28 over at Ulta. I haven't seen the movie yet. I haven't seen a new movie in a long time. I can't wait to go out and see this movie or see it on, on one of the streaming services. But yeah, I haven't seen the movie yet, but the color story, just the whole thought of it just really started sparking the imagination. And I think this is a beautiful palette. It could definitely go with you from winter into spring. And so, yeah, I started filming and didn't want to stop. So it's a great palette. And I remembered right at the end that I forgot to swatch it. So that's not doing anybody any good. This is the one side, so the purpley side, purple and pink side, and then this side is going to be the other side of the palette. So you are getting quite a few colors in here. And I swatched everything, so yeah, these are all the colors from the palette. Gorgeous. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you're getting 24 colors in here altogether, and you definitely have a blue, pink, sort of oceany side, and a land side, which has the oranges, the yellows, the grassy greens in there. So yeah, it's a really pretty palette, and I really suggest it for everybody. This is the first impressions on the blur. Like I said, I haven't worn it a full day yet. I just put it on. So far, I'm really liking it. And this palette, I'm thinking, is pretty darn amazing. So yeah, this is definitely a collaboration that worked out really well. So definitely suggesting this one. Beautiful new palette.